Okay, today we're going to demonstrate how you hook up the button interface board for your HoPEC system. Your kit should come with a wiring harness for the buttons. They may be different. You can get your own as long as the buttons are 12 volts and have the 2 contacts. You should be fine. First thing we're going to do is we're going to strip the end of the wire a lot shorter than what they come with. We won't be using the blue wire, so you're only going to need 4 wires. Most of these harnesses will have 5. The red is for the positive of the LED, the black is for the negative of the LED, and then the other wires are for the button. Now these buttons happen to have a normally closed side and a normally open side, and the normally closed side is not what we want, which is the blue wire. So we're going to just clip this blue wire about 1 inch away just in case you ever decide you want to use it for something else. And then the wires that are stripped on here, they're too long, so we're going to cut them in half. These wires are a little too long, so we're going to make them shorter.
So around here?
Yep. And then just show it to the camera sideways so they can see. Alright, so we got 1 button prepped. We'll make this the bottom button. You'll repeat this for the other button, but go ahead and get this small jeweler screwdriver and that first terminal for the bottom button. Yes. You're going to loosen all 4 of those. You just loosen them until you feel the thread come off, and then make a full turn going back the other way.
So how do you know?
So what you do is put it on the screw. You use that as a pivot. You just unscrew this until you hear it click. You hear the clicking?
I did.
That's because the screw's coming out of the nut. So you're just going to make it 1 full turn back in so that way it doesn't fall out.
Okay.
Do that with all 4.
Okay.
All right, now you'll notice that there's 4 labels on there. LED plus, the LED negative, and then button A and button B. The LED plus is the red wire, so we're gonna grab the red wire.
Okay.
The hole's on the inside. And you just kind of pinch it there and then snug it down with the screwdriver.
All right.
Okay.
And you're good.
Next one is the LED negative, so that'll be the black one.
Okay. Okay.
And then the buttons don't matter. It's literally just a connection, like a light switch. So it just connects one wire to the other, so it doesn't matter which one you use.
Doesn't matter which color?
Yeah, you can, A or B. Can be the white or the green, it doesn't matter. Now you just take the button and stick it through the hole. And that one's done.
All right.
And I just do the next one.
Okay. Oh, and is that going?
That's going to go on the top. We don't have them.
Oh.
So the interface board has a bottom, a middle, and a top. So you can actually do 3 separate floors.
Okay.
And the middle you're only going to use if you're going to have a middle stop position.
All right. Got them all in there.
There you go.
All right.
All right. The next thing that gets connected to this is the emergency stop button. These don't come with a harness. They've just got terminals. So you got to figure out which one is the normally open and which one is the normally closed. So we're just going to use a cheat meter here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on continuity, which is this one here. All right, and you're just gonna put one of these leads on each terminal. We're gonna reset it, so twist it and it pops up. So that's the run mode. So the side that we want will have a connection. So let's try the red side, or orange side, whatever you gonna call it. Yeah, so it's connecting, and when it gets pressed, go ahead and put it back on. When the button gets pressed, it breaks the circuit. So that's what you want. You want this side, the orange side.
Okay.
Now that blue wire that you clipped off, we'll use that.
Okay.
Connect it to one side.
Okay.
All right, and then the other ends go on this big terminal, which is for the emergency stop.
And these go where?
On the big terminal.
The big terminal.
Use the bigger screwdriver.
Okay. And do these click also? Was that it?
The reason it folds on the inside is so that it could fit inside of the electrical box easier.
Does it matter which?
It doesn't matter which
one goes first?
Okay. It's just a switch. So it's just connecting those two wires together.
Sorry, this is my first time doing this, so it's a little awkward.
Pinch it with this thumb.
Sticking out a little, is that okay?
It's okay. As long as it's not, there's no other wires for it to touch, you're fine.
Okay.
And we probably should have stuck them through the hole first. We can't fit the button on that one. That's okay. You get the idea.
Okay, yeah.
So this one is ready to go. Ideally, you'll want to run these wires through the hole and then go into that. But we're probably going to put a little bit longer of a wire on this anyhow when we get ready to install it. But for now, that's how you hook them up. Again, if you had a middle button, you would just use another harness and it would go on this center connector. All right, so that's it for the button interface setup. You'll be wondering about this switch. That will be discussed in a later part of the installation, but this is just a switch that determines if it's the end of the line, and we'll explain that later on.